You know these metal boxes you see at ports? The ones used to transport everything from electronics to oranges from one side of the globe to the other? They're called containers. Yep, just like Docker containers. No, not the kind you pack your lunch in or filled with cotton candy at the fair. These containers are a little different and rather digital, if I may say so. Before we dive into Docker, let's take a trip to the local market. You see, imagine each vendor as an application running on a server. They all need different environments to thrive. The fishmonger needs ice, the baker, a hot oven, and the jeweler, a secure vault. Scene transitions to a frazzled market supervisor trying to cater to each vendor. In traditional hosting, just like our market supervisor, your server has to set up and maintain unique conditions for every application. It's exhausting, right? Not to mention inefficient. Scene transitions to identical cartoon characters popping out of magical containers ready to work. Now imagine if each vendor could bring their own tiny ecosystem perfectly tailored for their needs with them. In such a scenario, the market supervisor just provides a spot for placement. Cool, right? Docker. Containers, well, they do just this, but in the virtual universe of computing. In computing, we have different applications that require different environments to run on. This can create a web of complexity. But here comes Docker to the rescue. These containers package up any application with all of the parts it needs, like libraries and other dependencies, and deploy it as one package. Just like shipping containers, which standardized global trade by making every container uniform and stackable, Docker containers ensure your application will always run the same regardless of the environment. It bakes all the quirks and requirements of your application into an easily shipped container, keeping your hosting environment nice, clean, and above all efficient. Docker is fast, super fast, because it uses shared operating systems. It's much more efficient than your typical virtual machine that needs to run an entire operating system for each application. Docker is lean too, sharing the host system resources among containers rather than gobbling it all for itself. Scene transitions to a futuristic lab. Docker isn't just shaping the future of deployment and virtualization. It isn't just about containers or development operations. It is about changing the way we build and run software. Because you see, in today's interconnected digital world, efficiency isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So the next time when you see a shipping container, remember there's a digital version out there, crossing not the seven seas but the intricate web of global computing, ensuring our digital world runs just a little smoother. That, my friend, is Docker explained.